I'm going 85 and I got people giving me the thumbs up because I can't go that fast. My name is Jerry and I have a 68 Oldsmobile green Cutlass. I am the original owner. I bought it in 1968. I was 28 years old. I bought it at Pioneer Oldsmobile on Lankershim Boulevard in North Hollywood. It's a 455. It's been stroked to 495. It's got 525 horsepower. It's got 373 rear-end gears. It's got a Tremec 5-speed with a hydraulic clutch. Well, the interior is, I wanted it to be somewhat stock, in fact, completely stock. And so I bought the interior from the OPGI. They sell all the stock parts. And it's still the same, it's the same as it was then. I ended up an Oldsmobile person. They've stopped making them. At the time, I couldn't let it die. I made it a drag car. I think I started drag racing in 1990. My nephew was 18 years old, and he was going to the drag strip every weekend. And I decided to go with him. He cut the wheel wells out. I had big slicks on it. I had small tires in the front, you know, narrow. I had the car weighing the 3590, and it went 1001. We've been to Fallon. We've been to a lot of drag strips together. Well, we're still real close. He's 60 now. He was 18. I'd go there and I'd drop the car off at his house because it's on the way, and go to work. And then Friday night we'd go, and Saturday we'd go to LA County Raceway. We'd race there together. But I was in the Sears and the Summit racing series, and that was once a month. But that was enough. He is a racer. He had a 72 Vega. But he had a small block in it also. And it went about, it went 985. But he won. He could drive the car. When I bought the Oldsmobile, I brought it up for my nephews. They were young. They've known it for their whole life. Then I went from the Oldsmobile to a 71 Chevy Vega. Now that car go. I rebuilt the motor at Bakersfield. It went 958, 140.
Nice.
And I run one time in 20 years. On Saturday night, I was in the final. I lost in the final on Saturday. Then on Sunday I was in the final and won. It's an Oldsmobile. It's in your blood. I take it to a car show, and it wins at the car show. And I'm not even expecting it. The last year I was at it won something. I'm going 85, and I got people giving me the thumbs up because I can't go that fast. What do I love about it? That I've had it that long. And I've made it to where it's real nice.